Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and I wanted to do a quick flip through with you of my Ladies in Waiting Altered Book Journal. This is the journal that I started while my husband and I were at the lake, and I've since finished it. Um, got a hitch post closure with ribbon. And as you'll recall, I used TaylorMade Journals wallpapers, and everything else is from Dear Julie Julie's Ladies in Waiting. And there's a few things from Dear Julie Julie's, I believe they're called Victorian and Edwardian postcards. So here we've just got a stamped image on some coffee dyed paper, sort of a book plate. Here we've got a little side tuck with a paper flower, image, some stamped text, and a doily, the postcard. This image is from the Ladies in Waiting. Here's a Ladies in Waiting that I had fussy cut out, put some lined paper there for journaling. More journaling space. Ladies, and the kit came with a whole list of words to use, and I used, I think, all but 2 or 3 of them. And then here we've got a top pocket with a nice big journaling card. Here I've got a little belly band with another little postcard. And here we've got a side pocket with great big journaling card. And you'll see on most of these ladies, I have backed them with coffee dyed paper that I stamped on, and I used various background stamps to create that. Same thing with the belly band, just to help pull it up a little bit from the wallpaper. Got sassy and more journaling space. Here I made a little cluster and some stamped coffee dyed paper behind it. An image. Here we've got a tag. That's a great big tag. And here we've got another large tag. I put lots of journaling space. Here we've got a little double side pocket with little cards in each pocket. And here I've got a side pocket with an index file card behind it with writing space that says just a note. And we've got a top pocket with that card inside of it. And although this is the center of the book, it's not really the center of a signature, but I sort of treated it as such. And here we have a little side pocket. Fascinating. More journaling space. Here's another side pocket with postcards in them. And another little double pocket with smaller journaling cards in them. More writing space. And here we've got a couple of more of the great big tags. We have classic and graceful. Again, with a little cluster there. An image of the lady there. Here I've got a top pocket. Captivating. And another little belly band here with a postcard tucked into it. A side pocket. Journal space. Here we've got a little corner tuck with a postcard in it. And another paper flower and a stamp and a little flinch card. Another piece of paper with just a note. And another little side tuck with a postcard in it. So that's it. There are I believe 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So if you include the inside front cover and the first page, there are 22 two-page spreads. Anyway, so that is my Ladies in Waiting Altered Book Journal. I hope you enjoyed that. Please let me know what you think. All comments and likes are always welcome. And until I see you next time, please be safe, happy crafting, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.